your life insurance agent is not being completely truthful to you. And I'm going to let you know why. Okay, so there is a minimum payment, but your payment is solely dependent on how much coverage you have or want to get. So if you want to pay $30 a month, that is doable depending on your age, because the likelihood of you being 80 years old and paying $30 a month is very low, very low. I mean, if you did that, you might as well, Jesus will come back before we see those prices for an 80-year-old. So if you talk to your insurance agent and you tell them a budget, they're gonna try to finagle you and tell you, but I want you to ask them, what is the minimum plan, the minimum amount offered for whatever policy you're trying to get, whether it's a whole life policy or whether it's a term policy. You can ask them, what is the minimum amount? They're going to try to recommend based off of they're going to try to do some analysis based off of how much money you're making, based off of what assets you have to protect, yada, yada, yada. And ultimately you can make the decision. But if you're just trying to look for the minimum, the absolute bottom tier amount of money that you want to pay, then you want to get the absolute minimum amount offered for your age group. So it's different for every age group, if it's in every type of insurance product. So for a term policy, the minimum amount that they give out might be $100,000 or $50,000. So it just depends for your age. Let's say you're 25, the minimum amount they might offer is $50,000 or $100,000. It just depends. And that might only cost you, like if you're 25, that might only cost you like $30, $28. It just depends on your age, if you're smoking, if you smoke cigarettes. And some carriers have an iffy restriction on that now. So if you want to save money on your life insurance, that's the mindset that you want to attack it from. So I hope this helps. I love y'all, and y'all be safe.